Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce charges with Spotify step by step clearly. To reduce charges with Spotify, start by assessing your current subscription plan. Visit the Spotify website or open the Spotify app on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Navigate to the Your Plan section in the account settings. Review the features of your current plan. If you're on a premium plan, consider switching to the free version. Take note that the free version offers basic functionalities but includes ads. If you're a student, check if you qualify for a discounted premium student plan. Visit the Spotify student discount page and verify your student status. Once verified, activate the discounted plan to enjoy premium features at a lower cost. Consider family plans if you share your account with family members. Spotify family plans allow multiple users under one subscription, which can lower individual costs. If you prefer a more personalized experience, explore Spotify's bundled services. Spotify often partners with other platforms to provide bundled subscriptions at a reduced rate. Track your usage to identify if you really need a premium account. If you primarily listen to playlists, the free version might suffice. Adjust your listening habits by creating offline playlists to cut down on data usage. Disable automatic downloads for playlists to prevent unwanted charges. Consider connecting Spotify with other music services you might have. Sometimes, music streaming services offer promotional bundles that include Spotify. Lastly, keep an eye on Spotify's promotions and discounts. They occasionally run special offers that can help you save more on subscriptions. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your charges with Spotify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.